Hello everyone, Archana here. Finally, I finished my album which I have created using all of the Crafter Companions dies and the papers I have used. I really wanted to show you those papers. I just wanted to give justice to these papers and these dies gave really good justice to these papers, I can say that, and you will see I'll show all the album inside and out soon. But before that, I just wanted to show you all these papers which I have here. You can see it's Alexandra's collection. Amazing papers, very pretty, and all the all the sayings, quotes and script, I just love it. And these are single-sided papers, so you can see, and you can see all the beautiful graphics everywhere. Really pretty papers, and I love these roses. And I was trying to find the perfect rose cutting dies, and I didn't want to use those 3D roses. I just wanted to flat roses, but they should look like a 3D. So these dies are perfect. The Crafter Companions double-sided dies. I'll show you those two. You can see this pretty paper and all the butterflies. They are very easy to fussy cut. We have in light pink and light blue color, and then all these cutouts. It's beautiful collection. And I also have this, I think 1 inch or little bit more than 1 inch washi tape, and I have used all the washi tape to cover these edges. You can see, so pretty, right? And before I show you album, I'll just show you all the dies which I have used. So all these roses you are seeing here, they are this rose double-sided die which comes with leaves, and these dies are brilliant dies. Means I just adore these dies, and I wish Crafter Companions will make little bit smaller sizes in this, so I can, or we all can create some kind of beautiful cluster, flower cluster there. So you can see this die. And what I did, I have used 2 shades of papers. So one paper I put it up and other one is down, and I layered it, and I have used 3 different colors. And you can see the leaf die. Amazing dies. I'm just crossing my fingers they will come up with the smaller sizes and different types of flowers as well, mostly smaller sizes please. And I also have used these ones which says spring and blossoms, and this is my favorite one, peony, you can see. And this one is also very pretty die. I have used a couple of these flowers on this album too. It's called Cosmos, very pretty dies. And I also have used this one, you can see this die, and I have used some of the part of this one, like this mesh. So I'll show you my album. So here you can see, and some of the different cutting dies I have used rose leaves and all from other companies as well. Most of the rose leaves die I have used Cherry Lane collection, her dies, and you can see this back die and this mesh die, the bigger dies, and peony here, roses here, and this cosmos right here. Some of the cutouts I didn't layer them, I just like the look how it is, like just the open look like that. And all the leaves are here, and I just made this thing like little bit curvy, you can see from the top. So it is like that. I just wanted to give some kind of 3D look. So this one is 9 by 9 album. I like 8 by 8, 9 by 9, 10 by 10 kind of sizes. So I created this one, and this album is whole created from scratch. This is not ready-made album. And here I kept it mostly simple. I just wanted to show all these dies, so I just didn't put any other very fancy stuff here. So this the back side, you can see the paper, one of the paper from the collection. And here you can see all the beautiful cluster, and I have used some of the sequins and some of these small perler beads. You can see gold one or something. You can see the gold one, very pretty, right? And this one, you can take it out. It's a picture area. And then next one, and I also created pockets for this album. You can see right here, so you can insert leftover pictures or any additional stuff, whatever you want to, or you can just create some of the flaps, tags, whatever you want to do. I didn't make much things for my pockets, but I have them there. And next page is like that, very simple. And also there is a pocket, very pretty image from the collection, right? So cute. I love these colors, so pretty, beautiful colors. And next page, this page is like that, nothing is opening or whatever. You can put some picture here, and you can see beautiful flowers. And this page I created a flap, but this flap comes out like that, and you can put some pictures here on the back. And also I have, let me put this first in. And using these flowers, I have used the tucking things, so you can see this, you can tuck in your picture. And also there is a this pocket, and then next page, this page also has these beautiful roses and a picture spot, and this opens like that. And then this thing again, you have pockets here, and I think this page have a pocket right here. And when you open this page, you have this type of flap, and also there is a belly band if you want to insert something in there. And there is a pocket, and this is the belly band, and also space for your picture right there. And you can see all these cute images. I just wanted to show quickly. So cute, loved it. And it is totally spring collection, so she has all the spring quotes or sentiments on her pages. And here is the last page, and I kept one pocket open here, so I'll show you quickly. If you want to insert something, there is a pocket, and this is the picture spot. And that's it. This is my 3-page album, and I am so happy with this whatever I came up with, and I hope you liked it. And if you want any of these dies, just go to CraftersCompanion.com, and if you are in USA, there is USA site, and of course there is UK site as well. So that's it from me today, and have a happy crafting and be safe. Bye for now.